All right, in this video, what we're doing is we have our MacBook Pro. What we did was the disk drive ended up not working and reading the Pro Tools installer disk, which carries the 1.8 gigabytes of Pro Tools compressed or 5.5 gigabytes of the actual software non-compressed. So I used a Mac that's off to the side here that I installed Pro Tools on yesterday, and I took the CD and then I took this drive and I plugged them both into the iMac there, and then I transferred the installer to this drive, which also has the iLock installer software on it. And then I rebooted this computer up, and then what we have here is the 003 Rack Plus, a MacBook Pro 9.2 13-inch, 8 gigs of RAM, 512 gigabyte hard drive, keyboard, mouse, FireWire cable. It's 400 to 800. And then installing Pro Tools here for a minute, and then I'll restart our machine. What we'll do is install the update, Pro Tools 906. All right, now let's install iLock license support. All right. All right. Authorize. Authorize. Oh yeah. So I gotta authorize it through this guy. They have an outage of some kind. Interesting. Well, that doesn't matter. Let's see here. The server is currently unavailable. This may be due to unscheduled or scheduled maintenance. Okay. 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 Well, it looks like we got Pro Tools installed and iLock service installed. So in the next video, all I'm going to do is log in, sign in, and then you use your Pro Tools information. Basically you register if you want to, or if you have to do it. And then with this perpetual license, with these, what's special about 9 is with these i5, i7 computers with 8 or 16 gigs of RAM, is you don't have to rebuy a license every 30 days or every year. And then I have to get all my old sessions out. So once you log in, you can activate one license with this machine. Then you have to pay for updates again, just to scratch track or backtrack or master or mix or edit on the fly. So see you in the next video.